Hello guys, what is going on and welcome back to another brand new video. My name is Zharfan and I will be your guidance for this tutorial. And today I'm gonna show you how you can make, or should I say, edit an intro so you can use it for your YouTube videos and other stuff. But before we begin, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to my channel and turn on the bell notification just in case if you don't want to miss my recent uploaded videos, which most of them are free to use intro templates. Now, without further more talking, let's dive into the tutorial. Alright guys, here we go. Now you guys might be asking me, hey Zharfan, what program are we going to use to make an intro? Is it free or not? Can I use it 100% without needing to credit the original creator of the intro? So the program that we are going to use is called Panzoid. For those who don't know what is Panzoid, it's a website where we can create beautiful, custom content for free. It was started in January of 2012 for aspiring online content creators, and that is the website we are going to use to make an intro for this tutorial. But do make sure that most of the templates here requires credit, since intro takes a lot of time to make, and crediting the creator is equal you thank him for the intro. Pretty much like that. Let's begin. Alright, firstly we are going to click on the search bar and type panzoid.com, and then press enter. Welcome to Panzoid. Now what are we going to do now? Simply just find the template that you like and then click on it. Looks like I've found the one I like. Alright, let's click it. By the way, this template was made by leafshinearts, credit goes to him. Yeah! Nice uploaded creations, leafshinearts. By the way, I'm gonna open this template. Finally, it's done loading. LMAO, I didn't expect it to be that long when I'm recording while waiting for it finish loading lol. Anyway, let's watch it first. To watch it, you need to click this little eye, or should I say, this single little eye icon first. And then press the play button. The intro looks nice, I like it. Now what are we going to do now is going to this section first, this button called Basics. Click the 3 bars icon if you can't find it. Now as you can see here, Leaf set the intro resolution to 2K, which is the one he rendered the intro and uploaded it to YouTube. But I don't want that, my video resolution is usually 1080p, so I'm gonna change it to 1080p instead. The frame rate stays 30 FPS. Please keep that in mind just in case the template you chose, the resolution is different from the default, which is 1080p. Alright guys, so what are we going to do next is head over to the objects section. Here's the button. Now, all you gotta do is, just follow the damn train. I mean, just find the text object, don't follow the damn train. Looks like I've found the text objects. There are 4 different types of text here, which is normal for 2D intro. Now, let's change each individual text to what I've been thinking for so long. Yeah, it's Vipex lol. Don't forget this. Alright, cool. Now, let's watch it again. Perfection. Now, for the last steps. Go to the download section. I've seen a lot of people saving their intro by pressing the Save Project button instead of rendering it. It's wrong, that's when you want to save it for later use, such as Unfinished Project, WIP, etc. The correct one is by going to the download section and render it. Here we have quality and format options. If you want your intro to be as sharp as it can, select extreme quality. But keep in mind, if you have low-end machine, rendering time might take some time to finish. If you want to render your intro as fast as it can, select fastest render. But this will make your intro looks pixelated AF. For this one I'm gonna pick good quality because I want the intro looks sharp but not too time consuming while rendering it. And I'll pick .mkv format instead. Now you might be asking me, hey Zharm, whereas MP4 format option? There used to be an option to render in MP4 back in like 2016. But it was removed due to patent licensing issues. Alright guys, see you in a few seconds. Hello again. So the intro has finished rendering, and to download it, obviously just click download your video button. And the tool will open another tab, which is called Download tab. Now you might need to wait a few seconds for the intro to be successfully downloaded into your machine. Then you can watch your intro. Looks like it's done. Now to watch it you will need a supported video player to be able to watch it, since this intro was exported in .mkv. I recommend you to use VLC player. The intro is done, it looks nice. I guess that's all for today's tutorial. I will be making another tutorial next time, probably how to edit an intro in Clipmaker 3, so stay tuned by pressing the subscribe button and turn on the bell notification. Oh, and one more thing. If you want to use your intro into your video editor, simply convert the file to MP4 by using Converter tool. There are a lot of websites that can convert .mkv to MP4. I'll leave some links in the description below. Thanks for watching.